Passage 11. Friends Para, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to the ninth annual general meeting of your company. The annual statement of accounts together with the director's report are in your hands for some time now. May I with you permission shall take them as read. Para. 9 years have passed since the formation of our company. This is now the first year when the company has made a profit. The sizable profit of rupees 11 lakhs has naturally encouraged us to look more favorably towards the future. The mines of the company in the Solapur district are now well set for increased production. Though the internal market is very limited, mines being situated far from the iron and steel industry of the country, the export market is quite promising, at least at present. Our sole selling agents for the European continent have been doing their best, and the business relationship between us has proved to be mutually favoring. You may be pleased to know that one of the established and their technical collaboration, technological assistance is forthcoming. I am glad to say from indigenous talent also. The director of National Metallurgical Laboratory, Jamshedpur, has come towards the process our ore and evolve a process of calcination of the ore produced at our mines. Your directors have already taken steps in this direction, and as you will agree, for our company, which is the first joint sector venture in this state, this is the right direction in which mineral development should proceed. Para. Your company has been granted mining leases for areas of silica sands in the Ratnagiri district. The demarcation of these area would be completed soon, and detailed prospecting of the ore undertaken after the deposits and the grades are proved. The company will be able to diversify its activities by adding one more minerals, particularly scarce minerals and those which will readily find market, domestic or overseas. With this objective, your company has been working very closely with the state government and also with established marketing channels. Para. Our efforts to market lower grade bauxite that we can mine are continuing. All these steps I consider will user a better future for the company. Para. Performance of the last year has encouraged me to speak with further hopes. This performance has been the result of loyal cooperation and sincere service by the members of our staff. They have worked with all the sincerity and loyalty. Even when the company passed through difficult times and their metal was really tested, they remained with your company. I may add that the management is not unmindful of their duties towards the employees. The service rules have been framed, and those who have served and who deserve will be fixed up in the proper grades and scales very soon.